Hello, welcome. Question 21, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. If two unbiased dice are rolled once, find the probability that the product of the outcome is a prime number. Product of the outcome is a prime number. So we need to know the event, that's the product of the outcomes, which is a prime number. We also need to know the possible outcomes or the sample space. If I have six sample space on one dice, six on another, total sample space becomes the product of that. I'm not going to draw a table, so I only say total outcome or possible outcome is going to be 6 by 6, and that gives us what? 36. So we have 36 different what? Outcomes. Now, we also know that prime numbers that we can get from this set is going to be 2, 3, and what? 5. These are the only prime numbers that we can get since we are dealing with sample space from 1 to 6. So these are the only prime numbers. But I'm talking about product of the outcome being prime number. Simply put, we can only get these numbers multiplied by 1 to remain the same. So that will be the only way we can get this sum, this product, because 1 times these numbers remain the same. So I'm going to find, let's say, list of outcomes. This is the sample space. Okay, so let's say we have that of 2. If you are looking for 2, let me say product of 2, we can only get 2, 1, and 1, 2, meaning 2 from the first dice, then 1 from the second dice, or 1 from the first die, then 2 from the second die. Their product will still give you what? 2. Then let's see, we have product of 3, which is also going to be 3, 1, then 1, what? 3. How about product of 5, which will also be 5, 1, and 1, what? 5. So these are the various pair that can give us the product of what? Of a prime number. So let's just go straight forward and see. Let's see total outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. So probability of product of what? Prime is going to be number of prime number 6 divided by the total samples space, which is 36. And if you do that, you get 1 out of what? 6. So let's check the options and see. The best option here is going to be the option A. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.